Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about data and databases that we call in Deutsch Daten und Datenbank. So let's start. We will see in a conversation how we use these words regularly, and then you know in which scenarios we can use it and how we can use it. First, Tisha sagt, Guten Morgen, hast du schon die Datenbank geöffnet? That means the good morning, and have you already opened the database? Dann Dan sagt, ja, ich bin gerade drin, ich prüfe einen neuen Datensatz. Yes, I'm inside right now, I'm checking a new data record. That means Tisha is asking Dan whether did you open the database, and then said, okay, yeah, I am inside, I'm looking into it and I'm checking the data sets. Dann Tisha sagt, in welcher Tabelle steht er? Dann sagt, in der Tabelle Kunden, aber eine Spalte fehlt. So Tisha is asking where the data set, in which table it is. Then said it's in customer table, but one column is missing. So we learn 4 words from this conversation: Datenbank, database; Datensatz, dataset or data record; Tabelle, table that we create in the dataset in the database; and then Spalte, column. So in the database table you have column and the rows, and so this 4 words generally we use during the conversations when we do it in Deutsch or in the technical conversations. The conversation continues. Tisha sagt, welche Zeile genau meinst du? That means which row do you mean exactly? Dan sagt, die dritte Zeile, dort ist der Schlüssel nicht gesetzt. That means the third row, the key is not set there. The key means here is we generally use primary key and foreign keys, and then this Schlüssel means that it's kind of one primary or foreign key in there, and then it's maybe not set in the data sets or in the data record. Dann Tisha sagt, okay, ich mache eine Abfrage, zu sehen, ob der Schlüssel existiert. Okay, I will run a query to see if the key exists. So here Abfrage means the database query that we generally do in the SQL or NoSQL and or other query language, or to check the data from the database. Dann sagt, gute Idee, vielleicht ist es ein Fehler in der Datenbankverwaltung. So that means that he said, okay, good idea, maybe it's an issue in the database management. So in here we can also see 4 words, 4 new vocabulary in the database side: Zeile, row; Schlüssel, key; Abfrage, query; Datenbankverwaltung, that's database management. So these 4 words can also be used in the conversations of the database related. Then Tisha said, ich prüfe auch das Schema, vielleicht wurde etwas geändert. That means I will also check the schema, maybe something was changed. Geändert means it was changed. Dann sagt, perfekt, wenn du willst, kann ich parallel eine Datenabfrage ausführen. That means perfect, if you want, I can run a data query in parallel. Tisha sagt, ja, mach das bitte, danke. Yes, please do that, thanks. So here you can also learn 2 words: schema, that's actually similar like English. So it's the database schema that you generally define the schema in the database for the table or data sets and so on. So this is kind of being used in here. And Datenabfrage is a data query. So you already know the Abfrage, the query. So sometimes you also add it up with the data words, then you say Datenabfrage. Then it's obviously clear that what is the query is about. That means the data query. So now you know a little bit from the conversations that how these words are being used. So in together you see these words. So Datenbank, database, Datensatz, data set or data record, or some data record that you want to check. Tabelle, table, Spalte, column, Zeile, row, Schlüssel, key, Abfrage, query, Datenbank, Verwaltung, that's a database management, Schema, Datenabfrage, data query. So maybe the pronunciation wise I'm not really fluent. You can see some pronunciation wise it could be different for a native speaker, but at least you know that what those words mean. And as I'm also learning these words and trying to understand and trying to use it in daily conversations, maybe right now if you also learn these words, then you can also use it in your conversations in future for any technical questions and or answers and so on. So I hope you enjoyed the video. In the next video we will learn more words in the similar topics, and then we will continue from there. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next one. Stay tuned. Bye.